Welcome to Agri-Gadget Picks. Clogged gutters cause water damage, roof issues, and costly repairs if ignored during seasonal maintenance. Best gutter cleaning tool solutions make clearing leaves, debris, and buildup faster, safer, and more efficient for homeowners without ladders or unnecessary strain and accidents. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. eihue 98-inch Gutter Cleaner. The eihue 98-inch gutter cleaner is designed for homeowners who want a safer and more powerful way to clear gutters without climbing ladders. Its standout feature is the durable metal extension rod, which adds up to 55 inches of extra reach, allowing you to clean high gutters from the ground with confidence. Unlike plastic extensions, the solid metal construction feels sturdy and reliable during use. Powered by a 40-volt brushless motor, this blower delivers an impressive 580 CFM and 180 mph airflow, making it highly effective at removing dry leaves, debris, and buildup in one pass. The dual 40-volt 2.0 Ah lithium-ion batteries provide extended runtime, giving up to 30 minutes per battery, which is more than enough for most residential gutter jobs. Despite its strong performance, the blower weighs only 3.8 pounds, making it easy to control and reducing arm fatigue. Overall, this gutter cleaner combines power, reach, and comfort into a practical solution for efficient yard maintenance. Number 2. Alloyman 180-mile-per-hour Gutter Cleaner. The Alloyman 180-mile-per-hour gutter cleaner is a versatile and safety-focused tool built for efficient gutter and yard cleanup. Its extendable pole reaches up to 55 inches, allowing you to clean roof gutters from the ground and significantly reducing the risk associated with ladder use. Equipped with a high-speed 26,000 RPM brushless motor, it produces a powerful 580 CFM airflow at 180 miles per hour, making quick work of wet leaves, twigs, and stubborn debris. One of its most practical features is the 270-degree adjustable nozzle, which lets you precisely target corners, tight eaves, and awkward angles without constantly repositioning yourself. Weighing just 3.8 pounds, the Alloyman blower is lightweight and well-balanced, making overhead use far more comfortable during longer cleaning sessions. Its ergonomic grip adds to overall control and ease of use. As an all-in-one solution, this tool is ideal for homeowners looking to save time by handling gutters and ground-level debris with a single, powerful device.
Number 3. RAYNEL Telescoping Gutter Cleaner. The RAYNEL Telescoping Gutter Cleaner is a professional-grade cleaning solution designed for deep, thorough maintenance of gutters and exterior surfaces. Featuring a heavy-duty 6-stage telescoping wand, it offers an impressive reach of up to 25 feet, making it ideal for multi-story homes without the need for ladders. The sturdy aluminum construction provides strength without excessive weight, while the padded ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended use. This system stands out for its versatility, including a scrub brush head and 3 specialized extension wands that allow you to clean gutters, soffits, fascia, and siding with precision. Lever lock adjustments make length changes quick and secure, ensuring stability while working at full extension. Universal compatibility with most pressure washer hoses adds convenience, and the leak-free sealed spray gun enhances reliability. With multiple spray nozzles and a supportive belt to reduce strain, the RAYNEL Gutter Cleaner is well-suited for homeowners who want a comprehensive, long-lasting tool for demanding exterior cleaning tasks.
Number 4. Tool Daily 21-foot Gutter Cleaner. The Tool Daily 21-foot gutter cleaner is a lightweight yet capable telescoping pressure washer wand designed to simplify high-reach cleaning tasks. Made from premium aluminum, it extends up to 21 feet, allowing you to clean gutters, roofs, and second-story windows from the ground with ease. One of its most convenient features is the ability to use a brush and spray nozzle at the same time, eliminating the need to constantly switch tools while cleaning. This combination makes it effective for loosening stubborn dirt while quickly rinsing away debris.
The included 5 spray-angle nozzles provide flexibility for different surfaces, from delicate areas to heavily soiled sections. A double support belt helps reduce strain on your neck, back, and arms, making longer cleaning sessions more comfortable. While users should follow the extension limit guidelines to avoid damage, this gutter cleaner offers a practical balance of reach, versatility, and comfort for routine home maintenance.
Number 5. POOPLE 12-foot gutter cleaner. The POOPLE 12-foot gutter cleaner is a simple and efficient option for homeowners who want an easy-to-use tool for routine gutter maintenance. Its telescopic design extends up to 12 feet, making it suitable for cleaning second-story gutters without the hassle of climbing ladders. The built-in flow control valve and rotating nozzle with 4 spray patterns allow you to adjust water pressure based on the level of debris, giving you better control during cleaning. Constructed from lightweight aluminum alloy, the tool is easy to handle and maneuver, while the non-slip ergonomic grip helps reduce hand and arm fatigue during extended use. A leak-proof design with rubber gaskets and a shutoff valve ensures a secure connection to your garden hose, minimizing water waste and mess. Tool-free installation with a universal thread makes setup quick and straightforward. Overall, this gutter cleaner is a practical choice for light to moderate gutter cleaning needs.
Choosing the right gutter cleaning tool keeps your home protected year-round by ensuring proper water flow and preventing structural damage. With the right design and ease of use, maintenance becomes quicker, safer, and more reliable, helping you avoid costly repairs and enjoy long-term peace of mind.